Aditi has joined the services of the bank a couple of days back and has been asked to manage the customer service desk. She is a bit nervous at this point. A customer walks in and approaches her desk. Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Hello, madam. I would like to open an account for my 6-year-old daughter. Please help me with the process.
Oh, only six? She's too young.
So what? Are you telling me that it can't be done? Aren't you aware of the process?
Sir, I'm sorry. I've recently joined the bank and I'm not sure about the process. Please give me some time. I'll discuss with my manager and get back.
Okay, come back to me quickly. What's the problem, Aditi?
Sir, a customer wants to open a saving bank account for his minor child. I don't know the procedure for this. He's waiting at my desk. Please help.
Okay, relax. Why are you so tensed? He can open an account for his minor child jointly as a guardian. I'll ask someone to help you this time.
Thank you, sir. I was really scared to face the customer.
Aditi, you need to be well versed with the banking codes to handle the customer queries more efficiently.
Yes, sir, but how can I do that?
Have you heard about the certificate codes on customer service and banking codes by IIBF?
No, sir. Can you please help me with the details of the course?
Yes, sure. Even I have done that course and I found it to be very helpful in dealing with the customers.
Sir, please guide me.
Aditi, let me take you through the certificate course on customer service. This certificate course aims to enhance the knowledge of banking professionals in the field of customer services and to fulfill the increasing need of such professionals. It also enables the practicing bankers to put on ground an effective customer service mechanism. The dedicated courseware on the subject published by IIBF follows a modular approach. The Module A talks about customer banking relationship. The Module B is on features of modern day banking. Module C is on customer grievance redressal policy. And finally, the Module D talks about PCSBI codes for dealing with the customers and micro and small enterprises. As for the eligibility for the certificate course, it is open to members and non-members of the institute, as long as the candidates must have passed the 12th standard examination in any discipline, or the candidates who have completed BCBF examination conducted by IIBF. The subject of the examination will be customer service and banking codes and standards. The medium of the examination would be in English only. As for examination fees, the fees for the members on the first attempt is rupees 1100 and for subsequent each attempt will be rupees 1100. The fees for the non-members for the first attempt will be rupees 1600 and for subsequent each attempt will be rupees 1600. There would be 120 objective type multiple choice questions for 100 marks. The examination will be held in remote proctored mode only. There is no negative marking for wrong answers. Minimum marks for passing this examination will be 50 out of 100. The examination will be conducted on pre-announced dates published on IIBF website. The institute conducts the examination on 2nd and 4th Saturday and on all Sundays. However, periodicity of the examination may be changed depending upon the requirement of banking industry. The duration of the examination will be of 2 hours.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing the information. Now, I'm sure that once I do this course, I will be able to serve the customers better.
All the best, Aditi.